Now students, we will discuss about the calcium carbonate or lime stone. It is lime stone. Okay, CaCO3. Examples are chalk, marble, etc. Calcium carbonate, it is also called as limestone. These are also all limestones. How can we prepare calcium carbonate? When carbon dioxide gas is passing through or react with the slaked lime or lime water, then calcium carbonate is formed. And as we know, if continuously we will pass the carbon dioxide, then calcium hydrogen carbonate will be formed. Here the calcium carbonate, this solution is milky. Next, if calcium chloride it react with sodium carbonate, then also calcium carbonate is formed and sodium chloride is separated. Okay, so in this way also calcium carbonate is formed. It is white fluffy powder. Okay, fluffy होता है, फूला फूला सा powder, and it is insoluble in water, mean almost insoluble in water. Calcium carbonate is when heated at high temperature, then it forms the quicklime as well as it releases the carbon dioxide gas. So next one is reaction with dilute acids. Whenever calcium carbonate react with the dilute acid like dilute HCl, then calcium chloride is formed along with water and carbon dioxide. Means carbon dioxide gas is released on reaction of calcium carbonate with dilute acid. Similarly, when it react with the hydrogen sulfate, that is sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, then also it will release the carbon dioxide gas. It form the calcium sulfate, that is salt, and release carbon dioxide gas. So student, this is all about the calcium carbonate. Now let's see about some of the uses of calcium carbonate. Like calcium carbonate, it is used as a building material, like marble. They are used as a building material, and they are the calcium carbonate, that is limestone. Then it is used for the formation of quicklime also, calcium oxide. So on heating calcium carbonate at high temperature, quicklime is formed. Then calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, both combinedly are used in the extraction of metals, that is in the metallurgy, metal industries or metallurgy also. During the extraction of metal, some of the metal they are used in the paper industry for making a high quality paper. Okay, these are used as antacids, so they are used for the medicinal purposes also, as well as mild abrasive in toothpaste. In toothpaste also they are used as a constituent to decrease the acidity of the mouth. Next, it is used in the chewing gums also as a constituent in chewing gums, as well as the calcium carbonate is also used as a filler in cosmetics. So in cosmetic industry also it is used as a filler. ओके, फिलर मीन्स कोई भी मतलब स्किन पे कोई छेद हो या फिर जो दांत होते हैं, कई बार दांतों को कीड़े खा जाते हैं तो दांतों में फिलिंग होती है, तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को वहाँ पे भी यूज़ करते हैं, मतलब एज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट. Okay, so it is used, it has so many uses. Student, this is all about calcium carbonate.